Well, this looks fantastic. We've started off with a full vegetarian Kerala thali, pretty close to what a sadhya is. And it's full, my plate's full. It's got a multiple amount of vegetables, including the avial, rice, banana chips, jaggery, and the works. The non-veg stuff is about to come. Surmai fry. So this is the duck roast that we cooked. This is chicken Kerala. All the non-vegetarian stuff, boneless. I'm going to start with the rice and rasam. Attack is what they say. Here goes. Now, rasam is made in every state of South India. This particular one is spicier, chunkier vegetables, a slightly different masala, very strong flavor of hing. And it has to be eaten with this fat rice. Oh, it's quite nice. Brilliant. Let's try some of this. Sweet and tangy. Ichipuli. The tanginess of tamarind, a little bit of ginger in it. Mix it with my rice. There's nothing like the South Indian papad. Now let's try some of this dry vegetable. That's called toral. Unlike the avial, the vegetable or the beans over here are not cooked, overcooked. They're still crunchy and there's lovely grated coconut on top of it. In between the meal, you have to have some banana chips. I can understand why people go insane about an avial. You cannot imagine what the coconut milk does to the vegetables. Now this has got black chana in it. It's called oot curry. That's a great start. Now, from this end, I'm going to start on the non-vegetarian food. Kerala chicken. True to its name, spicy. Lots of curry leaves. The duck chop. Before that, this is warm water with herbs in it. It's supposed to help you digest your food. Very healthy. Okay, let's attack the duck. I just love duck. You know, chicken tends to get very, very, how do I say, broilery. This is gamey. Give me duck any day. And the way it's cooked here, with all these lovely masalas, too good. Now I need something sweet. This banana coated with jaggery. Now you can try some of this olan. Too much food. Too much food. How can one human being eat so much food? I cannot understand. But trust me, people who eat here regularly finish off all this rice and ask for a second helping. Now for some fish. Fried surmai. Great. There's so much more. I'm going to eat this all. Wait. Rasam, 2 payasams, 1 kheer, lovely, with vermicelli in it. Ada Pradaman It's a kheer made out of jaggery and rice, or a payasam made out of jaggery and rice. Look at it. Oh, with raisins in it. Adabing rice. This is not taste of Kerala. This is feast of Kerala. Ah, fantastic. I'm going to eat some more over here, and then after this is done, we're going to eat some more. Because down the street from here are a couple of other Kerala restaurants. Let's go and try one of them after this.